Hello everyone, here's a little update on the medieval house that I'm making out of cardboard. I have used the coffee carton to make the base of the house, and then all the rest is just scrap carton, whatever I have at home. So the house is finished and now I'm doing the painting, and as you can see it takes a little bit of dedication to those details like this. Yeah, so that's what I have finished, and here is still unfinished. Then we'll see what's gonna happen. Well, that's what it is. Just tell me, do you think it's good one, bad one? What would you like to do better? And if you want to see the process, you can go and check out the shorts. I will leave the links in the description.